Good morning everyone. Today we're going to be dynoing a 2014 VF Sv6 SIDI direct injection. The client's fitted a Orssom OTR and an X-Force 2.5 inch catback. So he's brought it in with the modifications already on. So we're going to do a custom dyno tune today and see what we can get out of this car. We'll probably tune the transmission today as well. So we've just done some base checks on the engine, make sure the oil and coolant is okay. We're going to set it up on our mainline all-wheel drive dyno and get all the details in, do some baseline testing and start the tuning. So we're just warming the car up now and we're going to do a baseline power run to see how the OTR has affected the airflow meter curve. So we've done our baseline power run and it made pretty dismal power at about 135 wheel kilowatts, with the mixtures being off the scale rich due to their OTR with a poorly scaled MAF calibration. So we're going to get into it now. We're going to tune the engine and transmission to suit his mods and see if we can recover some of that power. So for our baseline run we took a data log using HP tuners, and we can see that the AFR is running off the scale rich compared to command. So we should be able to get some pretty good gains out of this car. We're going to go ahead and use HP tuners to do a full custom dyno tune. So we've just about finished our custom dyno tune and we're ready to do the final power run on the dyno today, and we've made quite a good improvement. So we've finished our dyno tune. We've made 208 wheel kilowatts from 135, and through the mid-range there picked up just under 100 drive newton meters of torque. The mixtures, we've gone for 12 to 7 to 1 AFR versus the off the scale 9 when it arrived, and that's where a lot of the power has been picked up.